Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's trading session we're going to take a couple of trades. I was about to take this as a buy, but I didn't take that because it has gap up and it might reject it and close as a green candle. Okay, it's about alright, it was a green, but if you watched yesterday's video, you'll see that you can use the gaps as a negative or positive confirmation, so make sure you watch them. Okay, this one has this gap down. It's starting from this round number. I want to take a buy here for 2 trades. We also have a common rejection point that we can, I'm pretty sure about this trade. Okay, yeah, so when you have like a base like this, it's called base. Ranging markets called base in most cases, and this strong drop can have strong like a price going up like this strongly. It would call drop base rally. Okay, but if we drop like that one more time, we can go with the sellers as a drop base drop. So market basically has created based on these patterns of rally base rally, drop base drop, or drop base rally, or rally base drop. Okay, now we have this drop and now we are in this base. We might have another rally to the upside. Okay, we will see what's going to happen. Here I wanted to go with the sellers, but since we have this gap down, it's a negative confirmation to take a sell trade here. Okay, you know why I wanted to go with the sellers? Because if you look back, we have the same situation before, and this candle could happen right here as well, even though this one also has this gap down. But I didn't trust this, or even if I wanted to take this, I should have taken this with marginal safety exactly right here. You see that? But yeah, I just want to take good trades. That's why I didn't take this trade. But if we had in this gap right here, for sure I would go with the sellers. All right, let me just add a couple of pairs so we can switch easily. We have the seller's entry. You see that this seller's entry have been like respected a couple of times, so it's a valid seller's entry. Okay, now these 3 candles to the upside also super strong, so I cannot go against them unless I see a very nice opportunity. Okay, this area right here, since it's combined with this round number, it's a pretty nice area. I want to go with the sellers right after this candle. If it closes down, I mean under this seller's entry, but this is a very strong trend from the buyers. All right, I want to go for 2 minutes here. Let's go for 2 minutes because this is just too strong. Okay, if you look back, we had 3 candles previously, but it wasn't strong like this. Now it might be the time for breakout, and you see that this trend has been broken and then pulled back, and then now it's trying to go up. The closest to like resistance could be here, right here, or up there. So yeah, I took this for 2 trade because this can give us a retracement. Since it's breaking a strong level, look at that. All these rejections are basically sellers entries, and when we are like attacking to the seller's entry, we might have a like opposite candle. That's why I go for two minutes, but I wasn't expecting a large candle like that. I'm expecting a retracement like this and then go up. So I'm gonna add one more here. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go. So when you have 3 consecutive strong red or green candles, what's it called, 3 white soldier, let's say, it can give us a retracement just like the engulf or outside bars and all that stuff. So here I know that it's starting an uptrend, even though if this candle is going to even close here, I will still go with the buyers. Okay, but I hope they don't reject. It created this higher high for me, and I just want to not create this lower low, and I want it to close at least right here. So let's see how this is going to close. And guys, if you enjoy the content, please drop a like for me. It makes me really happy, and it motivates me to make more videos like this for you guys. Okay, 2-1. It's a oh my god, one of them was a losing trade. I wanted to take one more trade here, but we have this gap up, so no. Let's just see if there's any other opportunities. Yeah. Oh, we have an ABC break right here. This trade was takeable. It was very nice to take that trade, but we missed the chance. Okay, after this candle, I will decide to go with the buyers or sellers. I probably go with the buyers. Yes, I will go with the buyers. It's creating a base. You remember I was talking about the base on the first trade. Gap down. Okay, beautiful gap down. Come down a little more. Exactly right here. Okay, so this is a rally, and then it's going to be a base, and then it's going to decide to have another rally or a drop. So if we drop here, it's going to be a fake out. It's going to come down a little more until this trend line. It can, you know, take a little time to reach to this intersection and then bounce up from here, or it's just going to start going up from exactly where it is right now, and this is going to be my base. So after this candle's formation, I will look and check this at the 3 to 5 minute time frame, and I will see that if we can. No, if this candle closes exactly right here, it's gonna give us a doji. Okay, so if I draw this, don't drop, bro. Yeah, so if I draw this here, okay, it was a winning trade anyways. It was a winning trade, and yeah. Usually, you know, these bases, if they are super clear and like very well formed, you will see these in the higher time frames as a doji like this in 3 minute time frame. Okay, so yeah, this is a spinning candle, so these two ranges can give us some breakout trades. Let me just check other pairs to see if there's any other. Okay, I'm thinking about going with the buyers here for 2 trades. I wish I waited for this entry right here, but still, it's a good one. And you can clearly see that we have this higher high compared to the previous candle. Okay, so we are making this higher highs, and now we are at this area, and we need to go high at least to this area. And you know that this is a QM, right? So in the lower scale, it's gonna look like that, and this is a very respected support. Look at that, it's very respected, and it's very less likely to drop exactly from here, unless we are super unlucky. It's gonna just drop here if we are super unlucky. So we have strong support here, and based on the candle's formation, we will need this as a green candle. That's why I took this one. Always pay attention to the candle compared to the previous candle, if that's creating higher high or not. For example, if we have a candle like this, okay, and the next candle goes and does something like this, okay, for example, but it has a higher high, even though this is a green candle and this is a red one. Okay, this is a red one and this is a green one, but is the next candle, I mean, what is more logical here, to have the next candle as a green one or the red one? Of course, green one, because we have created this higher high and the price movement at the lower scale, the lower time frame, is exactly like this. Okay, so if you combine this with your actual setup, you can have this also as a confirmation. Okay, for example, about the gaps, imagine the next candle starting with this gap down, and let's say there's a round number as well. So is that more confirmation to take this? Sure, because we have a level that the candle is starting from, and also we have a gap down as a positive confirmation. When we are thinking about buying, the gap downs are our friend. When we are thinking about selling, gap ups are our friends. Okay, so when I say that this higher high is important, I don't mean that you can look at the chart and you can take all the higher high, like if the candle is creating higher high, you can count on that. No, you have to have your setup first and then use these as some confirmations. All right, I hope it was clear. And that was about today's trading session. If you enjoyed, please drop a like for me and also join the Telegram channel. Make sure you avoid the freaking scammers. And if you want to join the Telegram channel, just use the link and it's going to directly put you in the channel. That's it. Don't search the name or something, because there's some scammers. Look at this. This is a gap down as a positive confirmation for going with the buyers. But when you see this gap down here, you can draw this common rejection point. We have already 3 rejection points. This is going to be the like a fourth one, and then you enter right here with the mindset of this, that with the mindset of considering this was as a green candle, because we have this gap down as a positive confirmation. Let's say we have a setup here as well. If we have one, which in this case is a long wick rejection, like a rejection trading here, and you're gonna be super safe combining all the things that you know and like you can use. All right, and that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.